GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. AC Delco GM Original Equipment Engine Oil Line Fitting is a GM recommended replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: engine, mechanical. This original equipment fitting will provide the same performance, durability, and service life as your factory original equipment. Top reviews from the United States. Don't cheap out, buy OEM. Bought this after the radiator oil cooler line fittings were leaking on my 2002 Chevy Blazer. This solved the issue entirely. In my opinion, these are better than the parts store parts. The parts store fittings leaked like a sieve after installing them. I do have dorman cooler lines installed as well, if that matters.